Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. So in this tutorial, as I said to the previous video, I will explain the dashboard of a Jupyter notebook. So as I said, this tutorial will be based on data analysis. I will use Python using Panda as libraries and the Jupyter notebook as the ADA. So let us start. As you can see, guys, once you log in, you need to download Jupyter from Google, or you can use PyCharm. Personally, I use PyCharm. As you can see here, I use PyCharm, and I just need to install Jupyter in Python, and then I run it from here. It's very easy. You can just watch it. You can just look for a video, or another way you can use Anaconda. It comes all along with all the packages. Okay, guys. So once you open Jupyter Notebook, you will be here. This is the home page. As you can see here, it's home page, and it's a local host, which means you don't need internet for it to run. So these are some project that has been working on: backing program, food order, listen method, listen functions, test, data cleaning, data visualization, pandas, project string. As I said, we deal with data analysis project. So without wasting our time, as you can see, the open button, you can download a file, you can rename a file, you can duplicate, and you can delete a file. So let us first of all create a new file. You can click new, and then you click Python 3. Okay, guys. So as you can see, it has created a new working place, guys, and it's called entitled. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to rename our working place. Let us call it as test. Okay, guys, test, and then we click rename. As you can see, guys, it has changed the name, test to untitled to test. And then if you go to the home page, and then if you refresh, no, it's even there, it's there now, test. Okay, guys, so here let me write our small program as usual, guys. Hello world, obviously it must be there. Okay, guys, and then you clicked this button, which is like play, for you to run the program, and then it bring here hello world, guys. Simple as that. So the Jupyter notebook is an IDE for Python. You can use it for coding, you can use it for data analysis, you can use it for data visualization, guys. So let me present you now the dashboard, guys. Here we have file. We have the possibility to create a new console. You can create a notebook, you can go to the terminal, you can create a test file, markdown file, I will explain it later, or you can create a Python file. And then we have all the remaining things: save all, rename, and then we have duplicate and stuff, guys. So, and then we have to go to edit. You can undo the process and Control Z. You can redo the process. You can undo the cell operations. You can paste. Everything is there. Cut, copy, and then we have go to run. That one for running a particular cell. We go to the kernel. We go to, you can see it said interrupt kernel, restart a kernel, restart kernel, and clear outputs. I will not recommend you to play with this stuff. Just leave it like that. We go to the setting. We have theme. We have personally I choose the Jupyter Lab dark. That's why you can see my working place is dark. If you want, you can choose a white one. You see the way white look like, but personally I prefer the dark one. Or maybe let us see this one. Not bad, but sorry guys, but I prefer the dark. It's much better. Okay, we have the language. Obviously it's English. Autosave documents, test editor identification, I said space 4. So everything is there, guys. You just need to check slowly by slowly, and help is there in case of any help. You can click anything and then you ask for an help, guys. So here the first one is for saving. After you deal of the process, you need to save. Okay, and here it's for adding a new cell, or you can, I will explain it again later, how to add a cell automatically, like more quickly. I have a shortcut here for cut a cell, here for copy, here for paste, here to run, here to interrupt the kernel, guys. Okay, so that is that. So secondly, I need to explain the markdown. As I said, I will explain later. So this is the time now. In case I want to put a title, guys, let me show you this. Let me say welcome to my channel. Channel. Then I put 2 hashtags. I say Junior Ludima, which is my name. And then let me put 3 hashtag hello over there. Okay, guys. So see how I will do. And then I come here to the code. I click, as I can see, I have code, markdown, and row. I click markdown, and then I click this one to run it. And you can see, guys, we have welcome to my channel. This was 1 hashtag. Junior Ludima, this was 2 hashtags. And hello over there, it's 3 hashtags. So this is the difference how you can put a title in the Jupyter notebook. See, this does help you to put a title when you are writing your code for clear understanding, guys, for readable codes. And then for the comment, let me say, for example, I can just put a comment like this and send you, sir, let us start. So guys, that is a comment. Obviously, as we know, the comment is the part of code that will not be considered in the programs when you run it. So that part, once I put an hashtag before my statements or my code, it will not run. So simple as that. So let me run my first code. Let me call it, for example, name. Let me say first name fn equal to Junior, and then I say last name ln equal to Ludima. Okay, guys, I just want to show you how you can run. I just want to write a small code, and then I can say print. No. And then I can say full name fl as full name equal to first name concatenate. Just do a small concatenation, guys, plus last name. Okay, guys. Then I can say print. My name is FL, which is full name. Then, okay, guys. Another way to run your cell, the shortcuts by using the keyboard, is Control Enter, and it gives you my name is Junior Ludima. Okay, guys. So another way to run your program, you can just click Control Enter, and then you run your program. After running it, in case you want to add a cell below, you can come here. It shows click to add a cell, or by adding it automatically, let me say it quickly, you can just click B. As you can see, guys, I've added a cell here by just clicking B. B, it means below. And in case you want to add a cell up, you can just click A, which means above. Okay, guys. So let me write another small programs. Let me say, for example, X. Don't mind my battery. I will charge it later. Okay, X equal to 5, 4, and then Y equal to 5, and then we say Z equal to X times Y. Okay, guys, then I say print X, Z. Control Enter, and then you go down, it gives you 20, guys. Okay, simple as that. And then in case you need to delete, you can just come here. It's another way of adding an insert a cell above. It gives you a cell here. And then I can put my comments. Thanks. And then Control Enter. And then I come here. I click Markdown. And then Control Enter again here. And you see, it becomes a title. So, guys, that's what I can explain about the Jupyter Notebook. You can see how to rename. I've explained here, you can save now. As you can see here, it's 7 minutes ago. But after doing all the process, make sure you save your file by clicking here. Save. And then you can see it has changed to now. Now it's again 2 seconds ago. Okay, guys, so it's a good tools for Python coding and for data analysis. So hope I have presented everything important. And the next video, I will start dealing with some basic codes. There's some few codes, but as I said, this video it's most related to data analysis. So the other video I will start doing analysis. As in case you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. So guys, me personally, I prefer to use Jupyter. It's simple to use, and as you can see, it's for free. Just download it from Google, or you can use PyCharm. As personally, I use PyCharm, and I install it from PyCharm. Simple as that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your relative or to your friends who are interested in Python or are interested to data analysis. Thanks guys. See you soon to the next video where I will put some basic example related to Python before we start analysis. Any questions? Drop it in the comment. See you soon guys. Bye.